In this video clip, we will discuss the difference between drawing and constructing in GeoGebra. First, construct a triangle using the line segment tool. Note that the line segments must connect at their endpoints or the triangle will fall apart. This triangle appears to be an acute scaling triangle. Sometimes we are interested in examining a triangle with certain properties, like a right triangle. I can measure one of the angles of the triangle and then drag the vertices until the measure of the angle is 90 degrees. However, even though the measure of the angle displays 90 degrees, because of rounding, it would be difficult to ensure that the angle is exactly 90 degrees. And as soon as we move one of the vertices, our triangle is no longer a right triangle. If I want to create a triangle and guarantee that it will always be a right triangle, we must construct the triangle using the properties of a right triangle. First, construct a new line segment and label the endpoints A and B. Now, to construct a right angle, we will use a property of a right angle, namely that a right angle is formed at the intersection of perpendicular lines. To construct a perpendicular line, use the perpendicular line tool. You may need to first click on More to expand the list of tools that are available. Using the tool, you must select a line or segment for the new line to be perpendicular to, as well as a point at which the two lines will intersect, in this case, point A. In order to construct a triangle, we need a third vertex. Using the point tool, create a new point on the perpendicular line and label it C. Make sure that your mouse pointer changes to a hand icon when placing the point, indicating that the point is being placed on the line. Try dragging this new point. You will see that point C will remain on the perpendicular line. To complete our right triangle, create the remaining two sides of the triangle using the segment tool. One side from vertex A to vertex C, and one side from vertex C to vertex B. Now that we have the three sides of our triangle constructed, we can hide the perpendicular line using the Show Hide Object tool. Select this tool, click on the perpendicular line, taking care not to click on segment AC, and then select a different tool such as the Move tool to hide the line from view. Be careful that you are hiding this line rather than deleting it. Since point C depends on this line, deleting this line would delete point C, as well as the segments for which point C is an endpoint. Now we have constructed a right triangle. This triangle will remain a right triangle, no matter how we drag the vertices of this triangle.